Today we're going to make a strawberry bomb mini cake. First, let's make the custard for the Diplomat cream. Add the egg yolks and powdered sugar ingredients first. Put the vanilla bean into the milk and heat it up to about 40 degrees Celsius. Pour the warmed milk into the egg yolk mixture and cook it until it thickens. Add the remaining butter, let it cool. Now let's get started on making the Genoise. Add sugar to the eggs and heat them up to 40 degrees Celsius, then whip them. Add the dry ingredients to the whipped eggs and mix until you can no longer see any powder. Next, add the butter and milk as well. Pour the batter into the cake pan, remove any air bubbles, and then bake it. Once the Genoise is fully baked, cut it into pieces that are the right size to fit into the cupcakes. After removing any moisture from the strawberries, slice them and set them aside. For the delicious icing cream, whip the rich mascarpone with the soft cream cheese until it becomes wonderfully firm. Prepare Diplomat cream to use as the filling for the sandwich. For the cupcakes, use mascarpone cream on the outside and Diplomat cream on the inside. Carefully layer the rich cream and then the fluffy strawberry Genoise in the correct sequence, and your delightful cupcake treat is perfectly finished. These mini strawberry bomb cakes are small, easy to store, and perfect for eating. Enjoy a joyful Christmas with them.